Let me beat. You're able to see right now. Yes, there are so many actions we have. So on cancel, you have close. On this cancel button you have an event called close, so it is getting closed. To continue, you will be having one continue also. Let me show you. Okay, or else that continue button came out of Peg, out of the box button. They have added that button there, so you can specify your own thing. Suppose, if you are clicking on this actions button here, let's assume it's as you are clicking on. Let me open one case. Okay. One case, let's configure any small kind of action. Suppose if you click on sections button you'll see this actions button it. If you click on actions button, what you will be seeing? You will be seeing one menu kind of thing. Right, actions means save version, some menu. You will be seeing it for that one. You have to add a menu here. She have a menu. Here you have a refresh. You have so many actions are available. You can run an activity. Here you can run an activity. Yes, you have run activity. Okay, you have so many functionalities on action. So, based on your requirement, you can choose what action you are going to perform. Suppose you have this actions button here. On click of the button, what is happening? You are showing some menu items, right? Some menu details. You are showing, this is called a menu, okay. Similarly, if you want to add that menu to some button, you will add this menu. Let's see how it looks like, how to configure it. It is asking for some content. Click on down arrow. Let's see if any out of the box is available. Yes, navigation is formalities asking. Click on down arrow standard. Let's do now if I open this rule. Okay, content is one rule. Case navigation is a label of it. If I open this one, see it is opening a navigation rule. Navigation rule. It is opening and you can define what menu items you can show. You can add below addable. You can do everything. You understand what I'm trying to say. Menu items, you can add it from here A. Number of items. Those items will be shown like this. On click of it, it will be showing like this. You can add a label here. Whatever the label you want, you can add the label if you want. Let us do that thing now. Suppose this one is. Let me add the symbol 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Now I need to submit this one also. I need to submit this one. I have configured here right. I'm clicking on submit and just saving it. Now you can go to this one on assistance request. You can see the button. On click of this button, you're getting 1, 2, 3. I have just given a random value similar to that. You can use whatever the menu items you can display. You understand, right? And again, if I selected the first item, okay. If suppose I have selected first item. If suppose what is happening here on this menu, if you see, if I click on actions, you are getting the items. If you click on refresh, what is happening? The case is getting refreshed, right? Again on click of refresh. You have to specify something, correct? Am I correct? Click of refresh. You have to configure something. Suppose what I'm trying to say is, first, one is refresh. Let's think this text is a refresh. Now again on click of refresh, something has to be done. So again you have an actions here. You go to actions on click. It's actually by default click. Okay, there is no option to edit this one on click. What has to happen? It has to refresh now. Click on OK save. Go to your this thing. Try to create. Open that section. But first one is refreshed. Now, if you click on refresh, see the screen is getting rendered. If you observe closely, because it's already getting a refreshing data. So you cannot observe that thing. I think because it is getting refreshed actually in the background. Okay, you got it what I'm trying to. Yeah, I can see that in the first click it's getting. But again pulling a refresher data right. So I think it is not getting refreshed okay. But the basic thing you have to concentrate is like, this is how you have to configure everything for refresh. You are doing refresh for some other action. You have to customize your action. Suppose, if you are doing some managed notifications or something you are doing, what is happening on click of this? Okay, you have to concentrate on that one. You have to see, you see on click of that. You are opening one model window right, some window is getting popped up. So similarly, suppose this is something called managed notification. Let's use you. This is not do. This is some managed notifications. Okay, no, on click of it, they are displaying some. They are displaying some pop-up window. Let's see how actually they have to display. That is a local action. Not replace current some model window. If you added replace current, okay, what will happen? If you add replace current, it will replace the current screen. Okay, let's see the difference. Okay, save it. My section of the on click of button, see you're getting managed notification. On click of this it has to open again a model window. But what I am thinking, right, once there is a model window, it will not open a model window on a model window. See, this is a model window. This is some window we are showing. But as per my experience that Pega will not open a model window on top of one model window. I think it will throw an error if you click on this one. It will not get. Oh, I think it was actually updated. Okay, latest versions. I think it is opening, but previously it actually used. It will not use to be opened. Okay, on top of one model window. Actually you will not get a model window old versions, but here you are getting. That's good. Only you got it right. What? How? We are displaying a model window. Any questions? How actually these questions and all coming in the sense, oh, this is some existing one we have added here, so that's where it is coming. Okay, some more TV. One we have added here, add question. We have added right, so we are getting some questionnaire, a screen. Any questions now?